Let us solve for A and B, given A plus B is equal to 12, AB is equal to 31. From here, A plus B is equal to 12. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 31. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 12. B is equal to 12 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 31. Let us substitute for B, which is 12 minus A. A bracket 12 minus A is equal to 31. If you open the bracket, A multiplied by 12, 12A minus A multiplied by A squared is equal to 31 minus A squared plus 12A minus 31 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus A squared divided by minus 1. A squared plus 12A divided by minus 1. Minus 12A minus 31 divided by minus 1. Minus 31 divided by minus 1 plus 31 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. From here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 12, C is equal to 31. A is equal to minus bracket minus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 31 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 12, 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 square, that is 144, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 31, 124 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 124, that is 20 divided by 2. This can be written as 12 plus or minus square root of 20 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. A is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 5 divided by 2. This can be written as 12 divided by 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 2. These two cancel this to 2 here 1, 2 here 6. A is equal to 6 plus root 5, which is A1, and A2 is equal to 6 minus root 5. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 12 minus A. B1 is equal to 12 minus A1 is 6 plus root 5, and B2 is equal to 12 minus A2 is 6 minus root 5. Here, B1 is equal to 12 minus 6 minus root 5. B1 is equal to 6 minus root 5. This is the value of B1. B2 is equal to 12 minus 6 plus root 5. B2 is equal to 6 plus root 5. Then our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 6 plus root 5, 6 minus root 5. Then A2, B2 is equal to 6 minus root 5, 6 plus root 5. These are the value of A and B. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation A plus B is equal to 12. Then AB is equal to 31. Let us consider this. A plus B. This can be written as 6 plus root 5 plus 6 minus root 5 must be equal to 12. This cancel this. 6 plus 6. Here we have 12 is equal to 12, which is true. Let us consider this. AB, this can be written as 6 plus root 5 multiplied by 6 minus root 5 must be equal to 31. 6 times 6, 36. 6 multiplied by minus root 5. This is minus 6 root 5. 6 root 5 multiplied by 6 plus 6 root 5. Root 5 multiplied by minus root 5. This is minus 5 must be equal to 31. This cancel this. We have 36 minus 5 must be equal to 31. 36 minus 5, this is 31, is equal to 31, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.